Did you know that making smart choices when it comes to snacks can play a crucial role in managing diabetes? In this comprehensive exploration, we unveil a curated list of diabetes-friendly snacks that not only satiate your cravings but also contribute to better blood sugar control. Join us as we delve deeper into the science behind these snacks, their nutritional benefits, and how they can be a game-changer in your daily diabetes management routine. But before we dive into our top picks, let's take a moment to understand the key considerations when it comes to snacking for diabetes. We'll explore the importance of portion control, the role of fiber and protein in stabilizing blood sugar levels, and the impact of added sugars on overall health. Making informed choices about your snacks is not just about managing diabetes. It's about fostering a healthy and balanced lifestyle that supports your well-being.
Number 5. Nut Mix.
Starting our countdown at number 5 is the humble nut mix. Nuts are not only a convenient and tasty snack option, but they also bring a powerhouse of nutrients to the table. Rich in heart-healthy fats, fiber, and protein, nuts can provide a satisfying crunch while helping to keep your blood sugar in check. We'll delve into the specific types of nuts that offer the most benefits, explore the concept of portion control, and share creative ways to incorporate them into your snack routine. Let's embark on a journey through the almond's magnesium marvel, the walnut's omega-3 fatty acids, and the pistachio's potassium powerhouse. Discover how these tiny treats can be a nutrient-packed addition to your snacking repertoire, providing a combination of crunch and nutrition that makes them a go-to option for managing your blood sugar levels. Number 4. Berry Bliss with Greek yogurt. Claiming the 4th spot is a snack that's both delicious and nutritious. Greek yogurt with berries. The combination of protein from Greek yogurt and the antioxidant-rich goodness of berries creates a snack that not only satisfies your sweet tooth but also supports your overall well-being. We'll explore the impact of yogurt on gut health, the importance of choosing low-sugar options, and how to customize this snack to suit your taste preferences. Join us as we uncover the benefits of probiotics in Greek yogurt, the role of berries in providing essential vitamins and antioxidants, and how this dynamic duo can be a delightful addition to your daily snack routine. From blueberries to strawberries, we'll explore the spectrum of berries that not only add sweetness but also contribute to the vibrant tapestry of flavors in this wholesome snack. Number 3. Veggie Delight with Hummus Harmony. Our third pick introduces you to the world of vegetable crudité with hummus. This snack not only provides a satisfying crunch but also offers a variety of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. We'll uncover the benefits of hummus as a source of plant-based protein and healthy fats, and we'll share tips on preparing colorful and enticing vegetable platters that make snacking a delightful experience. Embark on a journey through the rainbow of vegetables, from crisp carrot sticks to crunchy bell peppers. Discover the art of pairing these veggies with a variety of hummus flavors, turning your snack time into a sensory experience that not only supports your blood sugar management but also tantalizes your taste buds. Number 2. Avocado Elegance on Whole Grain Stage. Taking the runner-up position is a classic with a twist. Avocado on whole grain toast. Avocados are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with monounsaturated fats, fiber, and an array of essential vitamins and minerals. We'll explore the impact of avocados on heart health and how pairing them with whole grain toast can create a balanced and filling snack that won't lead to blood sugar spikes. Join us as we venture into the world of avocado varieties, from creamy Hass to buttery Fuerte. Learn about the science behind avocado's role in promoting satiety, supporting weight management, and contributing to a nutrient-rich diet. Discover creative ways to elevate your avocado toast game, making it a versatile and satisfying snack option. The ultimate champion, hard-boiled eggs, a protein-packed triumph. And now, claiming the top spot for diabetes-friendly snacks is a snack that's both satisfying and portable. Hard-boiled eggs with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Eggs are a rich source of high-quality protein and various essential nutrients. We'll delve into the science behind why eggs can be an excellent choice for managing blood sugar, discuss portion control, and explore different ways to enjoy this versatile and convenient snack. Embark on a journey through the egg's nutritional profile, from choline to lutein, understanding how these components contribute to overall health and well-being. We'll share insights into the importance of moderation, creative ways to season your hard-boiled eggs, and tips on incorporating this protein-packed snack into your daily routine. As we conclude our extensive exploration of these diabetes-friendly snack ideas, we invite you to not only explore but also experiment with these options. Keep in mind that making mindful choices can positively impact your overall health and contribute to a balanced lifestyle. If you found value in this in-depth exploration of snacks for diabetes management, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, and hit the notification bell to stay informed about our upcoming content. Share your favorite diabetes-friendly snacks or your experiences with the ones we've mentioned in the comments below. Snack smart, stay healthy, and until next time, happy snacking!